All right, today you guys are going to watch this YouTube video of this girl. She's doing some gymnastic skills. It's really short. I tried to find the shortest one that I could find on YouTube that wouldn't bore you guys. So it's really short. Just watch what she does. And then today I want you to be able to watch a video and identify the skills they use in this particular activity or sport. I only want 2 skills. There are multiple ones being used, but watch the video and think about what it takes to master each of these tasks. The video is a short clip of a young girl performing some gymnastics moves. What are the 2 most important skills she needs to be able to do for this? Take some time to think about it. So I did give you a word bank for you to choose from. Now, being able to do gymnastics, you need a lot of the skills that we already talked about, whether that be health related or skill related, all the stuff that you did this past week. But just choose 2. So like it says right here, choose 2 from the word bank above. I want you to tell me why you chose these 2 terms. All I need is a brief reason behind your answer. You can highlight the 2 terms up here and then come down here and write your reasoning, or you can come down here and write your 2 terms and then give your reasoning underneath. It doesn't have to be long. Just say, in order to be able to do gymnastics, you need to be blank and blank, or you need to be blank and have this, whatever, however you want to write it. So like, for example, if you want to choose muscular endurance, you can say, to do gymnastics, you need to have muscular endurance because, and then give me your reasoning. And then if you want to choose balance too, say you need to have balance to do gymnastics because, and then give me your reason. You guys should be familiar with all of the skill related and health related terms. I told you you'll be using them in the future. So you're going to watch this little video. Again, I know it's not the most exciting thing to watch, but I tried to choose the shortest one for you. And then you can either highlight the 2 that you chose and give me your answer as to why you picked them down here, or you can go ahead and choose 2 and write it all down here. However you want and whatever is best for you. So if you need to go back and look at your terms and look at the definitions, or even Google gymnastics and see all what they have to do, in order to be a good athlete and be able to do gymnastics. However you want to come to your decision and however you want to get to your answers is fine with me. So that's all I need you to do today. We'll do something similar tomorrow with a different sport. Email me if you have questions. But again, just choose 2 out of this word bank and tell me why you chose them down here.